Welcome to Prompt 3 in the Stitch This Season online workshop. Today's prompt is collage. It goes on the first page of our pages. I loved using all these materials to create a collage, and then I added some stitches besides. It's a perfect way to use slow stitching and Christmas in your work.
Okay, we're going to start the first prompt on the pages. So I chose the pages. You can do this differently, but I chose the one that does not have the pocket, the one I just pinned together to hold it in place. I'll remove the pin because what I'm going to do now is just work on this square here, or this page, this rectangle. So I can remove the center piece and set that aside. So just like with all my work, I want to start with my boundary. So I fold that center page down, and I can even make a mark there just so that I know where I'm going to fold it. And I want to keep a little border here. I don't want to stitch right up to the fold. Got to have a little give. So now I'm just going to create a collage. I went through my fabrics and ribbons. I love using lace for that texture. And I'll just play around with all the different fabrics that I want to use. I want this collage to really focus on the colors. Here I have this beautiful angel. I might use this in my work. So I'll trim it up and just really cut around it. And now I just want to play around creating just a little bit of a background for this angel. I like the way it peeks through that background. And I kind of want to use a little bit of these colors. Start with this beautiful fabric, and I'll just create a little design. So I have my layout here. I'm going to stitch everything down just as it is. See how that comes out. So I stitched my pieces down. Love how this is coming out, but I wanted a little more interest. So I have these little teeny beads, and I'm going to put them where all these little buttons are. And I found these little star buttons, and I'm going to put those appropriately where the angel is holding the stars on the fabric. I think that will add just a little pop of interest. So I finished stitching. I added in the little beads, the buttons, and I added just a teeny row of stitches here to tie it in. I still wanted it to be sweet. So that's the first page of one of many. This will go in like this. And for the next prompt, we'll work on both these pages. Oh, love how that's coming out.
Now I love creating collage, and the inspiration being Christmas really makes it enjoyable. You can add a little bling, you can add some gold, you can add traditional colors, whatever you want. And I can't wait to see what you post in our Facebook group. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd love to hear your comments below.